welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday, May 11th, and I'm going to be out in the garden. I got some chores to take care of. Most importantly, I'm going to do some succession planting. And without further ado, first thing I'm going to do is plant some more color into my garden. These are Pyridium daisies. I got these from Earth Care Seeds, and I wanted some type of fragrance in the garden. This is supposed to have a spicy flavor or smell to it, and these are also the same plant that the Pyridium insecticide is made from, so maybe that'll have an influence or help with any insect issues that I may have in the future. Okay, I'm going to give them a light dusting of black cow, and then I'm going to water them in. Okay, they're all watered in. The directions on the package say it will take anywhere from 14 to 30 days for germination, and that I have to keep the soil moist, so that's what we're going to be doing. I'll bring you back when we have growth. Here we are going to plant some squash, and I have the bucket full with decent soil. Okay, this is my supersonic squash. I have 2 plants in it. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to separate it, the plant, but I'm going to try to get a hole that is the size of the cup that the plant is in. Okay, that's just about right. And I'm going to put a little of the Nature's 855, Nature Safe 855 in the hole. Okay, this is in pretty good. I'm going to put some straw around it, and then I'm going to cage it. I'm putting straw around carefully around the edge of the bucket, leaving an open spot for the plant itself. Okay, just like that. Okay, later on, I'm going to come back and water it in with a mixture of fish emulsion and a little Jack's 20-20-20. These are cucumbers, my succession cucumbers. Variety is Excelsior. I previously had these planted, and this is the second planting of them. I'm going to put them back into where I had them before. Okay, the next succession planting that we're going to do is okra. Previously, in these two buckets, we had squash and zucchini. And in this bucket, the squash was successful to a point where I actually got fruit off of it, but it was destroyed by either squash worm, squash vine bugs, or a squash borer. And the same thing happened to the zucchini. So I'm not going to replant them out here. I'm going to try planting okra. This variety of okra is one that I ordered from a company that deals with seeds from the Ukraine. So I wanted to try it. It's called Campbell's Emerald, and hopefully it will be good. Okay. Try to squeeze one of these out. Pretty decent root system so far. Put a little 855 in. And we'll spread the hay back around. Okay, that's one. We can put the label here. And let's see about this one. Try to get it close to the drip head. That should be deep enough. Little 855. Press. Okay, now we're going to water them in, and I think that's all for today with my succession planting. So I decided to harvest the remainder of my purple radishes. So that's what you're looking at. The roots have been cut off and the tops cut off. And this is my garlic with the tops cut off and the roots cut off. I'm going to let the garlic dry a little bit more before I start using it. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did some succession planting and removed a few crops. So all in all, everything that I wanted to do was accomplished. In upcoming videos, I have some more succession planting that I'm going to do with tomatoes and zucchini. And hopefully that won't be too far off in the future. The tomato is a high heat tolerant tomato called Floridate. I've grown it before. It's a determinate and I like it, so I'm going to try again. And I also have some onions that I'm going to try and start and see if I can get them to grow as well. If you enjoyed the content, give me a big thumbs up. I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants and flowers by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. My channel is growing by at least 200 to 300 weekly, and I appreciate that. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and think about doing so. Leave me a comment. If you do subscribe, go ahead and hit the notification bell, so notification for all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, and you can share my material. If you're interested in any of the seeds or tools or soil that I used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront, or you could head over to my website and get yourself some pretty good deals. So if you in joining me on my Facebook page, Small Space Gardening, think about doing so. You can meet people like me and yourself who have a passionate interest in gardening. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.